LTC, specialists in machining all types of castings, forgings, and bar stock to make your problem our solution. From working with approved material vendors to high-tolerance finish machining, LTC delivers your quality parts on time to your specifications. Constantly updated equipment, run by a multifaceted workforce, is paramount for delivering your project needs. CNC and conventional machining is available for very small to very large parts. Whether your order consists of multiple pieces or a single piece, each part is treated as though it is the only piece. Need other required services? LTC has in-house welding and heat treating, or approved sources for services such as plating and coating. Machining services can be contracted independently or in conjunction with NDE, upgrading and casting services provided by our sister companies. LTC, known for precision, consistent machining for valued customers in a wide variety of industries.